Why NRIs retiring in India need a fresh financial strategy. For many non-resident Indians, retiring in India is a deeply emotional decision, returning to familiar roots, family and culture. But financially, it's a whole different ballgame. The strategies that worked abroad often fall short in India's unique economic landscape. Inflation, taxation, investment regulations, and currency risks demand a tailored financial playbook to ensure long-term security. Inflation, the silent erosion of wealth. India's inflation, often hovering around 6 to 7% annually, can quietly eat into your retirement savings. A corpus that feels sufficient abroad may lose significant purchasing power in India. For instance, a 1 crore corpus today could feel like just 20 lakh rupees by 2045 if inflation isn't accounted for. Without inflation-adjusted planning, long-term financial goals may unravel. Taxation, a changing landscape. Recent tax reforms have added complexity for NRIs, especially those in the US. Enhanced reporting requirements under FATCA and FBAR, increased tax collection on remittances, and stricter asset disclosures mean higher compliance burdens. The 2025 budget also raised TCS, or tax collected at source, on foreign remittances, squeezing returns on popular investment routes. Mutual funds, a staple in NRI portfolios, now face a unified capital gains tax regime from April 2025. Different TDS rates apply to short-term and long-term gains, as well as dividends, making tax planning more critical than ever. Gift City, a strategic gateway. Investing through Gift City in Gandhinagar offers NRIs a tax-efficient route to global assets. It helps hedge currency risks, provides access to international opportunities, and benefits from favorable cross-border tax treatment. Recalculating the retirement corpus. Given inflation, healthcare costs, relocation expenses, and a safe withdrawal rate of 3.5 to 4%, NRIs may need to boost their retirement corpus by 20 to 30% beyond initial estimates. Planning must be robust and dynamic. Location matters. India versus abroad. NRIs committed to retiring in India should allocate a significant portion of their investments domestically while maintaining 20 to 40% global diversification. If retirement abroad is still on the table, this strategy shifts, favoring global mutual funds, diversified equities, and vehicles like 401ks. Smart investment choices. A mix of inflation-adjusted tax-efficient instruments is key. Consider NPS, remote access, tax benefits, mandatory annuitization of 40% at retirement, NRE FCNR fixed deposits, tax-free in India, good for short-term parking, annuity plans in mutual funds, useful for regular income and growth. Currency fluctuations, a hidden risk. The rupee's volatility can impact the value of overseas savings. Holding part of your corpus in stable currencies like USD can hedge against these swings and offer flexibility in repatriation decisions. Real estate, emotional versus practical. While property often features in NRI plans, early purchases may face issues like wear and tear, poor location, or liquidity challenges. Buying closer to retirement may be more practical and cost-effective. Healthcare and estate planning, non-negotiables. Secure your future. With comprehensive health insurance valid across geographies, long-term critical care coverage, and globally recognized power of attorney and succession plans. These safeguards protect against unexpected costs and legal hurdles. The role of professional advice. Successful early retirees often credit disciplined planning and expert guidance. Defining realistic goals, understanding what enough means, and aligning investments with life stages are crucial. Annual reviews and adjustments across market cycles, tax changes, and personal transitions are essential. Final thoughts. A hybrid, personalized approach. Retiring in India as an NRI requires a reset, not just of financial numbers, but of assumptions. Lifestyle costs, inflation, currency risk, taxation, and legal nuances all play a role. A hybrid strategy, blending domestic and global investments tailored to your residency status and future flexibility, offers the strongest foundation. Early planning, thoughtful instrument selection, and professional guidance are not optional, they're indispensable.